Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question we have June 2021 42 variant. And question number 4. A mass of 12 kilogram given stationary rough plane inclined angle 25 degree horizontal. It means this is a situation, and try your level best to make a diagram a little bigger. Okay. He mentioned that mass is a 12 kilograms. So this is a mass, a 12 kilogram. So into 10, I got a 12, 120. So 120 newtons. And angle is 25, 25. So best technique, read and write. Okay. And pulling force is P acting 8 degree above the, so it means this not parallel to surface. Wrong. No, 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 no. It is acting with some angle. So this is the angle of application, P force acting. And what is the angle with plane? With a plane, it is acting on 6 degree. Sorry. So it means, okay, first of all, this idea is very clear. Let me read further. This force is keeping the equilibrium. It means acceleration is 100% zero. Okay. So afterwards, he's saying, because equilibrium means acceleration zero. And the coefficient of friction between the is given mu. So mu value is given by him is 0.3. Greatest possible value. You know, we have two conditions. Let me tell you both. We have two conditions. I tell you both. If someone is pulling, for example, this and this, if it is about to move up, about to move, okay. If we have a least force means this is a very less force, particle about to move down. And in this option, friction will be upwards. But if force become a largest, so it is about to move up, so friction will be 100% downwards. So this condition will take now logic. Logic is very clear. He asks us greatest. So he will not give you extra help. So you will keep your eye, he asking for the least force or the largest force. So least force, the friction will be upward, about to move downward. And largest force, it is about to move upward and friction downwards. I believe this part is very, very clear. And let me complete it now. So let's start. It means 100% it is about to move upward, about to move upward, and 100% okay, friction will be downward. But this mass has weight is a two components, you know it very well. One parallel to surface and is a 120 sine 25. Repeat, for weight component and angle come here, and one component, this is called R. Let me 1 minute please. I make it R here. And the balancing force is here. It is called what? This is a 120 sine 25. This is 120 cos 25. I have resolved 120 in two components. Friction is very clear against the motion, okay, against about to move. Now let's resolve P force. You know, students, how to get a P force. P has a two component, one parallel to surface. Look, they are parallel to each other. Red color line and blue color line. Okay, and this is a 8 degree. And one is this blue line is perpendicular 90 degree with a x-axis, sorry, plane. So this become P cos 8 and this become P sine 8. Now I will find out, and you know the system in equilibrium. So first of all, let me talk about this is a plane. Let's talk about perpendicular forces. These two forces acting upward, this force downward, and they are equals to each other. I'm writing it now here. R plus P sine 8 equals to 120 cos 25. Repeat, these two forces come from here, this force come from here, and you know R value I will find from here. So this will go on the other side. So I get 120 cos 25 minus P sine 8. And you know what is formula, student? F is equals to mu R. And mu value is given here is a 0.3. I'm writing 0.3, and R value come from here. 120, 120 cos 25 minus P sine 8. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I got the whole value of friction. Now student, I discussed up till now vertical forces. Now let's talk about parallel to surface, because system in equilibrium, above force and downward force are balanced to each other. Or you can say net force equals to ma is equal to ma, but acceleration is zero, so you know it very well. So I can say that this force equal to this force. So I'm writing P cos Okay, before I move, I think I should multiply this inside. 0.3 times to 120 into cos of 25. And this is giving me what? This is giving me 32.6271. Okay, what about this multiplying? So let me check. 0.3 times 2 sine 8. And this I'm getting here what? 0.04175 p value. So I think I simplify form. Okay, now I can say p cos 8 equal to that. So let's start. P cos 8. I make a line here. P cos 8 equals to friction plus what? 120 sine 25. 120 sine 25. There's a whole value of P is F is coming down. I think very clear. So P cos 8 equal to 32.6271 and negative 0.04175 P and plus 120 sine of 25. This value will go this side. That's simple. I think okay. What I'm saying, P cos 8 plus 0.04175 P and the other these two values I'm just typing in my calculator. And let me check what value I am getting. 120 times 2 sine 25. This value I'm getting 83.3412. Okay, now I will take P common from here. So what left in the bracket? Cos 8 plus 0.04175 equal to 83.3412. This whole thing will divide, will give us the answer. And now, students, I am typing directly and I get you answer. I give you the answer 0.04175. And Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, P becomes 80.8 newtons. So I believe the point is very, very clear.